candidates to exit our stage. So I'd like to remind our spectators, audiences, meron pa po tayong special guest mamaya, and she is our season 7 first runner-up of Tawag ng Tanghalan. So kung gusto mong mapanood, we encourage everyone to please manood. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate grace, intelligence,